Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by opening your chosen mobile app and creating a new presentation. This gets you into the editing flow immediately. Next, set the slide size to 16, 9 for widescreen or 4, 3 for older displays so layouts stay consistent. Decide how many questions you want, whether to use a countdown timer, and how you will track scores. This planning reduces rework later. Once done, name the file clearly and create a template slide with title, question area, and answer buttons to speed up duplication. You now duplicate the template for every question so layout stays uniform. Consistency helps learners focus. Insert text boxes for the question and shapes for answers, and use color coding or icons to mark the correct choice privately. Then add hyperlink actions on each shape. Set the correct answer to jump to a correct feedback slide or the next question, while a wrong choice links to a hint, retry, or explanation slide. Make sure to test one path fully before copying interactions. You finish by adding a summary slide that displays final score or feedback. This completes the learner journey. Then play through every branch, correct, wrong, and skip to confirm links and transitions work and timers behave as expected. If animations misfire or links break, reselect the shape, reset the hyperlink, and retest the single slide. Finally, export as PPTX or present directly from your device. If sharing fails, compress media or use cloud sharing so file size doesn't block delivery.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.